everybody, my name is Nathan Avlovic, and today I'll be doing a bike check. Alright, to start off, I have a premium CK frame. It is Chad Curley's signature frame. It's a 21 inch, and yeah. So next off, I have a premium headset. Then I have the GT top load stem. Next, I have some Haro black bars. They're 8.5 rise. I have Haro forks. They're painted black. I ride 2 pegs. There's some random pegs I found. And I ride a BSD hub, the street hub. Next, I have double butted spokes and an animal hoop. I have Demolition Momentum tires. I've been riding them for about 3 years now. They're getting a little wore out, but I mean they've lasted a long time. I have 2 random hub guards. I think this one's a Shadow, and I think this might be a Cinnamon. I don't know. I got it off my friends. Next off, we'll go to the cranks. So I ride Profile cranks. They're raw. I did a clear coat so they don't rust. I have an Area 251 sticker on it, my local bike shop. And I have a tree sprocket, it's 28 tooth. And then I have the Shadow V2 interlock chain. I've ran 3 of them and I haven't broken one yet, so they're pretty well made. Then I have Eastern plastic pedals. And I have a BSD bottom bracket. Next, we'll go to my seat. My seat is the new volume seat. Most people don't like the color. I think it's unique and I really like it. It matches pretty much everything and I just like it. Next, we'll go to my back wheel. I have a BSD hub. It's left-hand drive. It's a 9 tooth, so I run about 28.9, and it's harder to pedal, but you go quicker, and I really like to go fast. Next, I have double butted spokes in the back, just like the front, and I have an animal hoop to match the front one. And same with the tire. It's a Demolition Momentum tire, and it's 3 years old. The tread's getting a little worn out, but it's lasted a long time. I only ride 1 peg in the back, and I have a Primo hub guard. And I'll do a little sound check. It's not too loud, but it fits my need. And my whole bike with 3 pegs weighs about 25 pounds. I like a little heavier. It's just easier for me to not. I'd rather have a heavier bike than have something that's gonna break all the time. And my grips are ODIs. I have flanges because I ride brakeless, obviously, for bar spins, because bar spins are a little harder with brakes. I can do them, but I don't like them as much. And I have Stolen bar ends. And yeah, that's my bike check.